An example of technical communication that I really like to share with my students in the beginning of a semester is a letter from Sony about their 2014 data breach. You may recall it was, hackers got access to all of Sony's corporate emails, so things were leaked, especially regarding a Seth Rogen movie at the time. But the technical communication example, is this letter from Sony to their employees, informing them about the data breach and what they were going to do for the employees to make it right. And so I like to use this example because students look at it right away and it fits their preconceived notions of what technical communication should look like. It's written in very formal language, legalese, as I would say. It starts with, Sony Pictures Entertainment is writing to provide you with a summary of SPE's prior communications regarding the significant system disruption SPE experienced on Monday, November 24th, 2014, etc., right? So it sounds very official and formal. And so students think this must be technical communication, this must be effective. But when you look at the outcome of this case, of this example, the employees wound up suing Sony and saying, that the company did not do enough to make things right with their employees after the data breach. And so this letter, if we really think about, what is the goal of the communication, if it was to try to make things right with the employees, we can't say that it was effective in doing that if it led to this lawsuit. So I like to use this to kind of challenge these notions of what it makes good technical communication, that we can't just look at elevated language and formality in isolation. We have to really look at what purpose the writing is trying to serve and whether it is meeting its particular audience's needs.